I don't like to stop for anything less than 6, but
Yeah, yeah. Well, I've got a good load on right here.
What are we doing? Oh, it's such a bad influence. Baby, you.
But obviously you did something because you said, "Oh shoot."
I thought I was supposed to go right in that left. What I missed?
Oh my god, we have to go.
Bye, Tony. That's all I have.
you're on the wrong side of the road. You're on the wrong side of the road. Go. Go.
No one wants to drown. Drowning would be the worst, because everyone knows that feeling. That feeling that you get, oh, it's the worst thing. You think you're asshole. Like during the summer, you know, you're like, you know, at a pool party or something. I'm gonna go into the deep end, watch my dive.
Auditorium, directly below an air conditioning vent. Nikki wished she'd brought a cardigan. Today was Detective Johnson's Medal of Valor ceremony, and she'd flown in specially. More to honor Thomas. It was painful coming back to LA so soon, but at least she would manage to kill 3 birds.
You happen to write me a letter.
I wrote you a letter. I read that book that you wrote, War to the Women, which I thought was very good.
One in the Bible tells me so.
And then you guys invited me to write an article for Free Thought Today. Jesus Christ! And I got a call from the producer.
Try to find a group that they can attach themselves to. And Chris Rock has a great bit about this. You know what? You can find Mick Maynard, who is one of the matchmakers for the UFC, posted this on his Instagram. Go to...
Fucking idiot.
You got it? Yeah, okay. So Mick Maynard posted this from the Great and
I wanted to give a little bit more of myself to the fan base because you guys have been so awesome and you guys have just always supported me with everything, and it's something that I felt passionate about and I wanted to give back. All over where I'm.
Yeah, just check your mirrors next time.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, just check your mirrors.
Stop not being a buster, bro.
Why? I'm not being a buster, bro. I got you on camera.
I don't give a fuck.
I got you on camera right here, bro.
It don't matter, bro. You're a buster. What you want to do, though? I'll beat your ass, bitch.